Hey guys, Andy here in my garage, and no, this isn't my Ferrari, just my kid's quad. But you know what's more important than material things? Is knowledge. And in this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot these sensors when you have this sensor wiring code for the Liftmaster. So first, you want to check the sensor wiring and make sure that it is properly wired and connected. I'm doing something else here, but typically it would be wired into something like this. And this is the sensor wire right here that was wired into here. So make sure that both sensors are properly wired. There's usually some wire nuts on these. As you can see, I took them off. Next, I made sure that I had my wires properly in here. Currently, I unplugged them, but I made sure that there was no loose wires or anything like that in here and that everything was properly working. And I still had the error code. And the third step is I tried to make sure that this wire was not the problem. So I ran a separate wire from each sensor, basically one wire right here that goes up into my unit. I have some alligator clips. It goes over there, and then I got another wire that comes to this sensor down over here. And to make sure that maybe something was wrong with the wire, and as you can see, got a little clip right here, and it goes into here. And the wire still, the issue still remained the same. The other thing I did is I hooked up a multimeter and to see how much volts I'm getting. And I get about 1.3 volts coming to this sensor. Now, if I remove the sensor, I get about 5.6. Here, let me show you. So I unplugged both sensors. That's the farthest sensor, and this is the one that I was working with right here. And if I'm measuring just the power coming from the sensor, I get about 6.3. versus 1.3. So, and there is no LED lights on these sensors. So to me, this tells me that the sensors are faulty. So I need to buy new sensors and install them. So if you like knowledge like me, check out this video where I show you how to install new sensors in the garage door.